Hey, good Tuesday morning to you. It's great to have you with me this morning. Cooler air is on the way. Promise you that. As a change is going to take place today, it's all about a boundary that's setting up across the area. So we're going to feature some weather that often comes along with boundaries, differences in temperature, some showers and thunderstorms, which we are already seeing this morning. So to hop over and take a look at the scout cams real quick, this is at Peculiar, looking south, and this is where the storm has just pushed through. We see some wet roadways. People don't know what that sounds like this morning. Some showers and thunderstorms. Most of us are just saying, let it rain. These are pretty quick moving storms, though. As you can see, they've just dusted through a 49 corridor here, just put down a heavy downpour for a few minutes and moved on. Do see some slow traffic there headed up north. This would be north of Belton. At 58 headed up into Kansas City this morning. Not sure what's going on with that. But let's go ahead and take a look at radar and see these storms darting through just as we thought. They are moving off to the south and the east this morning. So depending your location, you may get a brief heavy downpour with some lightning and thunder this morning. Looks like these are just about to cross 49. They're impacting 49, but just about to cross 49, maybe south of Harrisonville here, and head down perhaps the 7 highway corridor over towards like Garden City, Creighton. But thunderstorm just came through Lewisburg. Looks like we have some heavy stuff just about to head towards Drexel Corner and Drexel. This is going to impact Archie, Adrian before it gets to Butler, Appleton, and points to the south and the east. So all well below severe limits this morning, as you guys can see. So all about this surface boundary that's going to set up across the region today. It has moved to the south. It's pushed back north, and we think it's going to come back to the south and settle out as a stationary boundary, something like what the surface chart is showing you here. So if that happens, here's what I see going on for today's forecast. South of the boundary, you can see the showers and thunderstorms area there indicated. I will show you exactly where I think those will set up this afternoon. That is also the area that I think we're going to see possibly some heat index up around 103, 105 today for a very specific area like Bates County and south to the east. That's just going to see that briefly this afternoon. Everybody up to the north of that boundary, not so much for temperatures. So so showers and thunderstorms south of the boundary and warmer temperatures this afternoon. North of the boundary, you guys are done, and you're going to start to cool down a little bit earlier than the rest of us. So let's go ahead and look at data this afternoon. I've picked up about 4 p.m., and this is the area that I want to watch. Let me just kind of show you on the map here from Wichita over towards Springfield broadly. But north and south, we need to watch out for thunderstorms this afternoon because, again, depending exactly where that boundary stalls out. But this is what I see happening as we get to about 6 p.m. There's 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9, 10. So, predominantly a south thing. Let's kind of back through the data. On the Kansas side, could see things up around Emporia, it looks like to me. On the Missouri side, looks like we may be talking between Eldo and Butler broadly, but a little bit heavier down to the south. Looks like we're talking Springfield, Lebanon for showers and thunderstorms. And so let me just kind of hit that again. There's 4 o'clock things are picking up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and midnight as we roll through the overnight. So predominantly looking for a south of the forecast area for showers and thunderstorms today. I'll be paying attention to them here, though, in case that boundary does something wonky. So here's your temperatures for today. Northwest Missouri, you guys are starting to cool down already. Going to be 92, 93 in Kansas City. Not too much different from yesterday for the rest of us. Picking up 95 to 97 down around Fort Scott, Nevada, and down towards Joplin. So do think that we will get a little break from that starting tomorrow once that boundary moves through. Here we go. Nice little cool down for tomorrow. We're already mid 80s up in Northwest Missouri. May not even see 90 in Kansas City and Joplin, cooling down to about 91. So maybe some showers return to start the weekend. A little bit far out for me to be too specific, but do see some data here just showing you this would be like a Friday evening, Saturday morning, early Saturday morning event, possibly dusting through the region. Looks like we might be talking about northeast Kansas and northwest Missouri for some thunderstorms, but I do see some more widespread showers possibly coming down state line Saturday around midnight to start off your Saturday morning possibly. So we'll put a little bit finer point on that. Just like to kind of give give you a clue for the weekends. That's how I do it. So that is what I got for you this morning. We'll keep watching these showers and thunderstorms. In fact, let's go back over to radar and just take a look one more time. This is what's happening right now across the region. These are pushing off to the south and the east. They are featuring about some 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's when they were up around the city. I don't know that they're going to be doing too much more of that. If you're lucky, you just get a nice heavy downpour and some lightning on the backside, and then these things will move along. So there's your Tuesday morning. I hope you all have an awesome day today. Appreciate you joining me. I'll catch you later.